Welcome to Sanyou London Private Limited, where our mission is to shape a sustainable net zero energy future with our innovative vacuum insulation energy technologies. It is located in the heart of central London, Canary Wharf. It's led by Professor Saim, Memon, CEO and Industrial Professor of Renewable Energy Engineering. Building on his extensive experience and achievements, Professor Saim aims to unify academic research and development, industrial manufacturing and product distribution in the global market. In successful partnership with the world's esteemed manufacturer and leader in vacuum insulation technologies, Jiangsu Sanyou Dior, energy-saving new materials. Together, we celebrate the UK-China collaboration, uniting in research and innovation to bring superior vacuum insulation, energy-efficient technologies to the world. Introducing the Vacuum Insulated Wallpaper VIW, a slim, cost-effective and innovative interior insulation solution designed to elevate the energy efficiency of any building worldwide. But first, why do we need vacuum insulated wallpaper? Let's explore some of the current challenges we face. Our first challenge is the rising cost of energy. For example, in cold, arid regions such as the UK, gas and electricity bills have significantly increased, reducing household affordability for heating homes, which is one of the causes of cost of living crises in the UK. Similarly, in the hot arid regions like the UAE, electricity bills mildly increased due to the extensive use of air conditioning units, a necessity given the soaring heat in the Middle East regions. Our second challenge, common to both cold arid and hot arid regions, and somehow linked to our first challenge, is that most of the houses and/or buildings are not well insulated. Our third challenge is a conventional solution, but expensive and disruptive, which is to insulate the house and/or building with the help of building contractors. It's often easier said than done, but the high retrofit costs and inconveniences often deter people from insulating their properties. Addressing these challenges will also serve as a crucial step towards mitigating climate change and advancing sustainability goals. By empowering homeowners to insulate their homes independently, we can achieve a significant milestone in our commitment to sustainable development goals. Vacuum insulated wallpaper, approximately 4 mm thick with a thermal conductivity of less than 5 mW per meter per Kelvin. When comparing VIW thermal performance, it outperforms conventional insulation materials. It can be customized to your dimensions and chosen design, and is available in a standard size of 200 mm by 200 mm. Elevate your space with vacuum insulated wallpaper and embrace the future of smart insulation. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bill, enhance your decor, or contribute to climate action and sustainability, VIW is your solution. VIW stands out as a pinnacle of innovation in minimizing heat loss or cold loss between inside and outside surfaces of any building, enhancing energy performance and aesthetic appeal in any space. Choose from an array of stunning designs to match your unique style. With VIW, every wall is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. In the face of rising energy costs, VIW is not just a product but a smart investment that's significantly reducing your energy bills. Crafted to last, VIW withstands the test of time. resistant to fading, peeling, and moisture. It's the long-term solution you've been seeking. Contact Professor Saim Memon or customer service team for more information, price quotation, and/or discussing your requirements. You can discover our vacuum insulation energy products, FAQs and specifications by visiting our website sanyoulondon.com.